Hello my friends, welcome to my channel Your Body and Day, and today I will teach you how to do an amazing recipe, chicken in the oven, made at home. You who like eat something healthy for lunch. Well, this recipe is quick and very easy and doesn't need many ingredients. But before I pass this recipe on to you, I'm making it available, an all-natural supplement, to be helping you in your weight loss. There are no contraindications because it is a natural product, and if you follow using it correctly, will help you a lot in your weight loss, just as it helped many people to recover their self-esteem again. I'll be leaving the link here in the description and in the first pinned comment. The official website of this product only is made available on this channel. Do not buy elsewhere as you may be wasting your money. So if you already like the subject, leave your like and subscribe to the channel to receive many tips and healthy recipes. For this recipe we will need ingredients: oil to taste, 1 chopped onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, 2 chopped tomatoes, salt and black pepper to taste, color to taste, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 kg of chicken breast, cooked and shredded, a can of canned corn, a can of canned peas, green smell to taste, 1.5 liters of milk, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a package of crustless loaf of bread, 450 g, 300 g sliced mozzarella cheese, tomato slices, for garnish, oregano to taste, for garnish. Preparation mode. Gather all the ingredients. In a pan, heat 3 strands of oil and sauté the onion until wilted. Add garlic, tomato, and sauté. Season with salt, pepper, paprika, and mix. Add the tomato paste and let it cook for 1 minute. Add the shredded chicken, mix and reduce the heat. Add the corn, peas, green smell, and mix. Increase the heat, add the milk, with the cornstarch dissolved. Mix and stir non-stop until it thickens and starts to bubble. Adjust the salt if necessary. In a greased shape with butter, line the bottom with the bread, make a very generous layer of stuffing. Spreading evenly, cover with slices of cheese and make another layer of bread. Repeat the process once more. Decorate with tomato slices, sprinkle with oregano and bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until browned. Now just serve. Hope you liked the recipe. Leave it here in the comments if you liked it. A big hug and until the next video.